In front of me is Cubot King Kong Mini 2, and let me show you how to activate call blocking on this device. So at first, just open your phone dialer, then let's tap on more icon and select settings. Here you will notice blocked numbers, so just mark it. And if you would like to block all unknown colors, just tap on this first switcher. And from now on, all unidentified colors will not be able to reach you. You can also block particular number of yours. Just tap on add a number, and then you can provide the number that you would like to get rid of. And that's it. Whenever you'd like to release somebody from the block, just tap on cross icon and confirm that you want to unblock it. And that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.